Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear learners and viewers, congratulations my online class. How are you? I am hopeful that you are well. I am well also. You know that for COVID-19 you are not able to attend the formal class, so you have to take part in online class. Today I am going to start English first paper, EFT, English for today, class 9. Dear learners, class 9, subject English first paper, date 20/10/2020. Dear learners, first of all, you look at a picture. First of all, you look at picture. I show picture. I show picture on the whiteboard. Okay, guys, the picture please. 2 minutes. Dear learners, I am hopeful that you can guess the meaning of the picture. Follow the question under the picture. Question number 1. What is the picture? What is the picture? It is a picture of a house, but it is not a rich house. It is not luxurious house. It is a very simple house. Next, number 2. Have you ever seen? Have you ever seen? Yes, we have ever seen. Where have you seen it? Where have you seen it? We have seen it on the side of the river, on the bank of the river, on the street of the city, on the road of the town, and different rural areas. Dear learners, next question. Who live in this hut? Who live in this hut? Very poor people live in this hut. That is to say, helpless people. Helpless people live in this hut. Whom do you see in this hut? Whom do you see in this hut? We see in this hut Meherjan. She is Meherjan. It is a picture of Meherjan. It is a picture of Meherjan. Why does she live in a slum? Why does she live in a slum? She lives in a slum because her house has been destroyed, the erosion of a river. So Meherjan lives in a slum. Meherjan lives in a slum. Dear learners, river erosion destroyed the house of Meherjan. That is to say, the greed of mighty river, the greed of mighty river. Dear learners, open your book, page number, unit 5. Open your book, unit 5, lesson 1. Already we have finished up to Unit 4 before COVID-19. Now we are going to discuss about Unit 5, change climate. The grid of the roaring rivers. Unit 5, lesson 1, title The grid of the roaring rivers. The grid of the roaring rivers. Roaring rivers. According to direction of the text, read the following text. Section A, read the following text. 2 minutes, 5 minutes. Okay, finish. Stop, you read out. Look at the whiteboard. Look at the chart. Look at the bow cups on the chart. Slum, embankment, shelter, tremble, whisper, unsteady, turmoil, erosion, consume, gradually, demolish, greedy, estimate, prompt, adopt. Dear learners, embankment. Embankment, what do you mean embankment? Embankment, synonym dam, barricade. That is to say, bank of a river, not bank of a river. To overcome the river, we set up embankment. To protection a village, to protection a city, to protection a town, we set up dam. We make dam, barricade, embankment. Dear learners, shelter. Shelter, synonym or means protection, shade, home. Dear learners, tremble, shake, vibrate. Your mobile, of your sound, you can vibrate. Vibrate means tremble, shake. Tremble means synonym shake or vibrate. Whisper, to say something near the ear. Whisper, murmur, speak softly. Okay, next, unsteady, insecure, unstable, turmoil, chaos, confusion, erosion, decay, destruction, gradually, slowly, gently, demolish, destroy, demolish, destroy, decay. Greedy, covetous or voracious. Estimate, calculate or gauge. Prompt, ready or active. Adapt, adjust, modify. You have to adapt with your society. Adapt, adjust. Okay, thank you. I am hopeful that you have to able to understand the difficult word or keywords of the greedy of the roaring rivers. Dear learners, next section B. Section B, dear learners, look at the section B from your textbook EFT. Section B discuss about choose the correct statement. Choose the correct statement. Section B. Sorry. Yes. Section B, choose the correct statement. Look at the chart, please. Choose the correct statement. Choose the correct statement. In paragraph 3, mighty rivers mean number A, option first, rivers having many rowing boats in them. Number B, rivers that have strong banks, rivers that make people crowd. Rivers, option D, rivers that have huge volumes of water and very strong currents. Dear learners, there are 4 options. Number 1, correct option you have to choose. You have to choose correct option. Mighty rivers mean correct option, rivers that have huge volumes of water and very strong currents. Dear learners, number 2, landed property. Landed property. Option A rented piece of land. Option B, property in the form of a source of income to its owner. Option C, a piece of land on the bank of river. Section D, property used only as an agricultural farm. Landed property, dear learners, correct answer, property in the form of a source of income to its owner. It's correct option. Number 1, correct option number D. Dear learners, number 3, whispering wind. You have to understand the meaning of whispering wind. Whispering says something near the ear. Speak slowly. speak silently. Whispering wind. Option A, wind that blows from across the river. Option B, wind that blows with a hissing sound. Option C, wind that helps someone make a fire. Wind that helps someone make a fire. Option D, wind that blows in summer. Dear learners, whispering wind, correct information, correct answer, wind that blows with a hissing sound. Dear learners, number 4, dancing flames. Dancing flames. Option number A, traditional form of folk dance. Number B, flames that make people dance around them. Number C, flames that are made unstable by the blast of air. Number D, flames made by people to remember their fasts. Dear learners, correct answer. Correct answer will be number C, dancing flames. Dancing flames. Correct answer number C, flames that are made unstable by the blast of air. Number 4, correct option C. Number 3, correct option I tell with you, wind that blows with a hissing sound. Dear learners, I am hopeful that you have to understand. Choose the correct statement, section B of your EFT. Dear learners, next section D. Dear learners, I am going to discuss with you about section D of your EFT, English for today. English for today. Section D. Complete the summary of Meher Jan's life with words or phrases from the box. Dear learners, please look at the chart. Meher Jan is a typical Desh woman who lives in a slum. She lost her shelter and properties due to the erosion of the river Jamuna. She also lost her family. Her husband had died of disease caused by property and Desh. Now she is only a Desh like Meher Jan. There are many people who have become, dear learners, become people who have become the dash of river erosion. Meher Jan is a typical dash woman. Meher Jan is a typical helpless woman who lives in a slum. She lost homeless. Meher Jan is a typical homeless woman. Number A, homeless. Homeless. Meherjan is a typical homeless woman who lives in a slum. She lost her shelter and properties due to. Next, number 2, due to. It is a phrase. Due to the erosion of the river Jamuna, she also lost her family. Her husband had died of disease caused by property and shortage of food. Dear learners, 3, shortage of food. Shortage of food. Next, now she is only 4. She is only slum dweller. Number 4, SLUM, slum dweller, DWELLER, dweller. She is only a slum dweller. Like Meherjan, there are many people who have become the dash of river erosion. Dear learners, next, number 5, last of the blank. Number 5, like Meherjan, there are many people who have become the dash of river erosion. Victims, VICTIMS, victims. Dear learners, these clause must write question number, section number D. It's section D. Section C, dear learners, ask and answer the following questions in pairs. What does Meherjan use to make fire for cooking her meals? What does Meherjan use to make fire for cooking her meals? Dear learners, answer. Meherjan uses some fallen leaves and straw to make fire for cooking her meals. Question number B. What property did Meherjan lose due to river erosion? Dear learners, Meherjan lost her vegetable garden, her house, and died her husband. Next, number C. What do you know about Meherjan's family? Dear learners, there is no details of your textbook about the family of Meherjan, but I discuss with you. Meherjan, husband of Meherjan, the members of Meherjan's family. In which season in river erosion most likely to occur? In which season in river erosion most likely to occur? Season is river erosion most likely to occur, that is to say, rainy season. Rainy season, in place in which you have to write rainy season. Rainy season is river erosion most likely to occur. Next, number E. What should we do to protect the thousands of more Meherjans? What should we do to protect the thousands of more Meherjans? Dear learners, we should proper step to protect the thousands of more Meherjan. Prompt action to adapt to climate change. Dear learners, we can to take prompt action to adapt to climate change. So, we can protect the thousands of more Meherjans. Dear learners, I discuss with you about 5 short question. Dear learners, last of the section E, homework. As a homework, you have to prepare to take part, debate in the classroom. The point of debate: human can't do anything to control the course of nature. Dear learners, for group A against group B. For point, human can't do anything to control the course of nature. For group A against group B. For this point, human can't do anything to control the course of nature. Rule number 1, 3, 5 up to 39. Group B against of this point, rule number 2, 4, 6 up to 40. Okay, I am hopeful that you have to take preparation to participate debate in next class. Thank you very much.